Okay guys, hello, welcome back, and I know I just did like a video not 2 days ago, like 2 minutes ago, and I'm doing another one. I'm just doing a video saying I am going to be doing a live stream. It will be my first. If it doesn't go well, then rip me, because I'll probably lose all my subscribers. But I want to give a big shout out. If you want a shout out, just comment down your Roblox using just comment saying hi or something, or hi, have a nice day or something. I'll reply back. Yeah, that's just a quick video. I'll show you what I just need to wait 24 hours. I've signed up for everything. I'll show you now. So we go to here. Let it load. Let it load. I will be tweeting on Twitter soon. It's all gonna get started and everything. This is I'm gonna try and become the most popular YouTuber ever happened in my life. But anyway, ready in 24 hours. It takes you 24 hours to activate your account for live streaming. Once activated, you can go live instantly. It doesn't mean like if it's activated and you're live. It means, look, see here, you click on stream, you type it in, you do thumbnails and everything, and that's it. That's all I really wanted to say. It would take like an hour for this to publish now, so that's why I'm doing another one like a few minutes after, so it's like a bit apart, so I don't need to do every single video, you know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just trying to go back up to the island, Gold Island, and yeah. I just found my mouse, look, listen. You can't hear anything. Yay! Anyway, that's all. So yeah. Bye.